This is a recorded lecture for the IB DP Design Technology Topic 4.1.2. We're focusing on additive manufacturing techniques. This is HL content and design in theory. So big picture, you should be able to select an appropriate manufacturing technique used for working with different materials to produce products. Today, we're focused on additive techniques, or the process of creating an object by constructing it one layer at a time, typically referred to as 3D printing. You must be aware of current and emerging 3D printing techniques to explain how components are produced using additive manufacturing techniques, including laminated object manufacturing, or LOM, fused deposition modeling, or FDM, and stereolithography. So we've already covered this vocabulary term, additive techniques, but it's a manufacturing technique that adds material in order to create an object. And essentially, any manufacturing technique where we're adding material is, of course, an additive technique. We covered these in the rapid prototyping topic, so topic A4.1.2. So we talked about 3D printing. We didn't talk about laminated object manufacturing, but we did talk about stereolithography and also selective laser sintering, which is what you're looking at here. Fused modeling is a 3D rapid prototyping printing technology that deposits melted layers of material on a bed to build up a 3D model. Please just watch this video. It's short and it kind of goes through some important ideas about how FDM actually works and gives you an example using a hot glue gun. Stereolithography is an additive manufacturing technique that creates 3D physical prototypes, layer by layer, hardening molecules of photosensitive liquid polymers using a laser beam. So it's hardening resin. And again, you're hardening it layer by layer by layer to build up an object. Selective laser sintering is an additive manufacturing technique that uses a laser to fuse small particles of material into a mass that has a desired 3D rapid prototyping shape. Here's a couple of videos to watch and give you an understanding of what SLS is. And then finally, laminated object manufacturing. This is a system that virtually slices a 3D computer-aided design model into thin layers, then cuts out each layer from a roll of material using a laser or a plotter cutter. The layers then can be glued together in the correct order to create a 3D model. So please watch this video. It's going to give you a good understanding of how LOM works. Thank you for watching.